Today you will learn about conditional formatting. Now we have this data here, so we will apply the conditional formatting. Now under conditional formatting we have also different options here: data bars, color scales, icon sets, and duplicate values, greater, less than, between, equal to, text that contains data occurring, top bottom rules. So I will discuss this area, highlighting cell rules, and then I will talk about duplicate values in the another separate video. So now I want to apply some formats to this data. So with the help of conditional formatting we can easily point out the highest value or lowest value, or we can easily find out the specific data. So that's why conditional formatting is very important and is very useful feature in the Microsoft Excel. So this is very important and powerful feature in Microsoft Excel. It's a built-in feature in Microsoft Excel. So now I want to apply some formatting with some conditional. Now first of all select. First of all, I want to highlight the greater number. I want to highlight the greater salary. Now I want to find out the whose employee has a greater salary. Now first of all select this whole range of cells, then click on condition formatting under home tab, then select highlight cell rules, then select greater than. Now it's up to you what value you are going to point out as a greater value. For example, I want to point out 2 lakh. 1 2 3 4 5. Click on OK button, but you have also different formats here. Now you can highlight these colors to point out your highest value. I want to select this value green fill with dark green text. Now I selected this value, then click on OK button. Now as you see, the highest value is 2,30,000. The highest value is 2,30,000, means the value which is greater than 2 lakh. So 2,30,000 is greater than 2 lakh. 2,30,000 is greater than 2 lakh. So the highest value is 2,30,000. Now first of all select this all the range of cells, then click on conditional formatting, then select clear rules. Now or if you want to find another format, so you must have clear the previous rules first. Now I'm going to apply another format. First of all select this whole range of cells or data set, click on conditional formatting, then select highlight cell rules. Now this time I'm going to select less than. I'm going to select less than. Now for example I'm type the values which are less than 1 lakh, or you can also select the value. Just click on button, then select 1 lakh, then select 1 lakh, click on button again. Now you can also apply different formats. So I want to apply this time yellow fill with dark yellow text, click on OK button. Now these values are less than 1 lakh, 90,000, 80,000, 95,000 and 95,000. These values are highlighted with yellow text, means these values are less than 1 lakh. These values are less than 1 lakh amount: 90,000, 80,000, 95,000, 95,000. So you can also change the format. Now first of all select this whole range of cells, then click on conditional formatting under home tab, then select clear rules. Now select this whole range of cells again, click on conditional formatting under home tab, then select highlight cell rules. Now this time I'm going to select between. So I'm going to select between. I will select two numbers. The first number should be 2 lakh. The second number should be 2,30,000. Now you can highlight the colors. I want to apply the format red border, or I want to apply the format red text. Now click on OK button. As you see, these values are highlighted with red text. Now the criteria I define here that value should between 2 lakh and 2 lakh 30,000. Now these values are between 2 lakhs and 2 lakh 30,000. The values are appearing between 2 lakh and 2 lakh 30,000. 2 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh and 2 lakh 30,000. Only those values which are appearing between 2 lakh and 2 lakh 30,000. Now just select this whole range of cells. Click on conditional formatting under home tab, then select clear rules. Select this option clear rules from selected text. Now I want to apply another format. So select this whole range of cells, then click on conditional formatting under home tab, then select highlight cell rules. Now this time I'm going to select equal to. So you can also select the text, sorry, you can also select the number, or you can also select the cell. Just click on this button, arrow button. Now I'm going to select the amount 95,000. Now click on this button. Now this time I'm going to apply custom format. With the help of custom format, I can apply the colors of my own choice. So I'm going to apply a color blue. Then I also want to apply some border, means outline border. So click on OK button. Now click on OK. Now this is the condition that format cells that are equal to 95,000. Click on OK button. Only 95,000 amount is appearing because I defined here that the cell equal to 95,000. So these two cells mean J17 and J13. These two cells are equal to 95,000, and I also format this cell with blue color, and also outline border is also applied. So amount is highlighted with blue color. So you can also remove this format. Just click on, first of all select this whole range of cells, and then click on conditional formatting, then select clear rules option. Now rules are automatically removed. Okay, now this time I want to find out the text, a specific text. For example, these are my employee names: Zoeb Khan, Mohsin, John, Zarba Khan, Sherazal, Albert, George, David, Hudson, Tom, Anna, Lily, Christian, James, Mike, Maria, Sophia. Now first of all select this whole range of cells, then click on conditional formatting under home tab, then select highlight cell rules, then select text that contains text that contains text that contains text that contains Lily. Now click on button. Now I'm going to apply a different format, green fill with dark green text. Click on OK button. So the Lily text is highlighted with green color. So I want to apply another format, but before applying another format, you must clear previous rules. So select this whole range of cells, then click on conditional formatting, then select clear rules. So previous rules are removed. Now again select this whole range of cells, then click off conditional formatting, then select text that contains. Now this time I am going to select Zarba Khan. Now click now apply different form, click on drop down button. So this time I am going to apply the format, custom format. Now choose the color you want, click on OK button. Now the Zarba Khan text is highlighted now. So we can also point out the employee's name, or we can also highlight the specific text. We can also highlight the specific text. So first of all select this whole range of cells or data set, click on conditional formatting, then clear rules. So rules are removed. Now the another option is a date occurring. Now I have this date column here. I want to find out or I want to point it out the previous date, next month, yesterday. First of all, select this whole range of cells. Now click on conditional formatting under home tab, then select highlight cell rules and then select a date occurring. Now I have different options here. Format cells that contains a date occurring yesterday, today, tomorrow, in the last 7 days, last week, this week, next week, in the last month, this month, or next month. I want to find out the today. Click on today option, then apply a format. Click on OK button. Now, as you see that today date, today is 24 June 2020. Today is 24 June 2020. Now I want to find out another date. So first of all, select this whole range of cells, click on conditional formatting, then clear rules. Now previous rules are cleared. Now this column is already selected. Click on conditional formatting under home tab, then select highlight cell rules, then select a date occurring. Now this time I'm going to track last month, and I'm going to apply yellow fill with dark yellow text. Click on OK button. Now these are last month entry. I have only one entry of last month, 10th May 2020. I have only an entry about May, 10th May 2020. So now I want to apply another format. So this column is already selected. Click on conditional formatting and clear this rule. Now previous rule is removed. Now this select this whole range, then click on conditional formatting, then select highlight cell rules and then select a date occurring. Now I want to find out the next month. Click on drop down button and then customize format. Choose the color you want. Now click on OK button. Click on OK button. Now we have these are next month. Today date is today is 24 June. Now these are next month, 1st July, 2nd July, 3rd July, 4th July, 5th July, 6th July. So next month dates are highlighted. So in order to remove this format, select this whole range of cell or data set, click on condition formatting under home tab, then select clear rules. Now I want to apply another rules. First of all, select this whole range of cells, then click off conditional formatting, then select highlight cell rules. Now we have an option data occurring. Now this time I'm going to find the record of this month. Click on OK, but select the format. This time I'm going to select red border, or I'm going to select red text. Click on OK button. Now these are the current month dates are highlighted. 18 June, 19, 20 June, 21, 22 June, 23, 24 June, 25 June, 26, 27, 29, 30th June. Today is 24 June. So you can also plot it out the different dates. So in conditional formatting, now remove this applied format. Select this whole data set and then click on conditional formatting under home tab, then select clear rules. Rules are cleared. Now once again I'm going to apply different formatting. Select date occurring. Now this time I'm going to apply last week. Click on last week option, then select custom format, then select purple. Click on OK button. Click on OK button. Now it's showing the last week. Today is 24 June, so the last week was 20th June, 19th June and 18th June. Now it's showing the record of last week, 20th June, 19th June, and today is 24 June, 20th, 19th, 18th June. So we can also apply different formats to identify old dates, new dates, today, tomorrow, previous month, last month. Click on highlight cell rules, then select, clear the rules. Select this option, clear rules from selected cells. Now select highlight cell, then select date occurring. Now this time select today. Click on green button. Okay. Now today is 24/6/2020. So you can also apply conditional formatting with dates. Thanks for watching.